So friends, in this video we're going to see the beautiful aluminum kitchen cabinets and what will be the price for making the aluminum kitchen cabinet designs and what are the points to remember before making this cabinet. So friends, if you're new to my channel then please subscribe to this channel. So let's get started. Because aluminum kitchen cabinets are surge of popularity for modern homes due to their blend of durable style and practicality, because it has some beautiful advantages because aluminum is highly resistant to corrosions, rust, moisture, so making it ideal for the humid kitchen environment. Unlike the wood, it doesn't crack, splint or swell in high humidity or heat, which last for decades. And also it is low in maintenance and easy to clean because the non-porous surface repels the bacteria, stains and spills, which allows for quick wipes with a damp cloth. So no need for polishing for sealing like wood, and it is resistant to acid, bases and oils from cooking. So and also it withstand the high temperature without burning or deforming, which adds the safety in kitchen with stoves or ovens nearby. So this also makes it suitable for your kitchen designs. So friends, now we're going to discuss the price of aluminum kitchen cabinets. This price cabinets vary widely based on factors like size, designs, complexity and also the locations and the quality of hardware. So they are generally higher upfront than wood or laminate but offer better long-term value due to their durability. So friends, actually the price of kitchen cabinets of aluminum starts from the basic models starts from 700 rupees per square feet, which are for simple frames and doors. And if you want the little bit of high quality, which starts from 1000 rupees to 1500 rupees per square feet. So for a small compact kitchen it will cost almost 40,000 rupees, and for standard like L-shaped kitchen designs it will cost almost 80,000 to 90,000 rupees. So friends, while making these kitchen cabinets you should consider some important points like: first, measure precisely for including appliance, windows and plumbing. So aluminum flexibility allows the custom fits, but errors can cause the alignment issues. So plan for the ergonomics like counter height and the storage for your cooking habits. And another one is the match your home style and aesthetics, because aluminum suits modern, contemporary or industrial designs but may feel cold or mismatch in traditional rustic kitchens. So check the finish options like matte, color or brush. Others limited style compared to wood, so it has some limited styles designs. And always consider your budget for total cost for the long term value. So and another point is consider the functionality and drawbacks, because it addresses the noise and heat conduction, so insulated bags in hot climate. Another point is choose the quality materials and hardware. Option for the thick anodized or power coated aluminum to prevent the oxidations of fingerprints, or also including the durable hinges, and secure the screw placement in frames for stability. And plan for the maintenance and future proofing. So aluminum is low maintenance but clean regularly to avoid the fingerprints, because think ahead for resale. So modern appeal boost value but ensure the flexibility of reconfigurations. So friends, you should consider these important points before making the aluminum kitchen cabinet, like measure your space twice, match your home style. Another is address the noise and heat with the soft closed features, and always pick The material of thick and quality aluminum for the dents, and always hire the professional installer to fix the aluminum kitchen cabinets. So friends, I hope that this video will help you to make a beautiful designs, and what are the points to remember and what will be the price. So I told you the price also. So friends,